What platform should you use to run your next webinar? Well, there's a lot out there. There's Webinar Jam, you can do it on Zoom, you can run it within YouTube and Streamyard. Zoom's a fantastic option if you want everybody to be able to tune into the room and for you to be able to see them and interact with them. When people see lots of faces, they go, okay, this is actually real. It's not just numbers loading on the screen. Webinar Jam, I think, is fantastic. You can put a whole stack of stuff in there, including your pitch, including a one-button press for your offer, different videos you can upload, your slide deck, and everything's in the one software, which can be fantastic. On the downside, I've noticed it to be really, really glitchy. And if you haven't got a fire hose of an internet connection, you're not gonna wanna use Webinar Jam. So for me, it comes back to Streamyard. Streamyard gives you the ability to be able to stream your video and your slides and everything that you want, even interviews, on YouTube. One of the main advantages to this is that you actually post it to your YouTube. You can share that link out, and if people for some reason can't get into like an online platform like Webinar Jam or Zoom, everybody's got YouTube. Everybody can access that and everybody can watch that. And it makes commenting really clean and really easy. It also gives you the ability to put that video up on your normal page after you finish the recording. So if you want to make that video evergreen and send out recordings, you've got that YouTube link immediately. It's definitely the best and most robust platform, and you definitely won't get any lag or any dropouts using YouTube.